Jylla Meghalaya ke Jylla ke Shngaiñ ki kynthei habagiat lenti ban let jinglet la kalong ka performance ni ne menmiet menyong. Kat no kalong ke jing sngo sarong ban yo sngo wi kini ki kyntien na ginong wei ke basuan jung okai ya ke Jylla jungi. Ya kini ki kyntien halor ke jing Shngaiñ ke Jylla Meghalaya le yo sngo na ka wei kalong kemie ke banabar ke Jylla. Kabalong ka wei ni kinong jung okai perthei kabalawan jungo e ke negari lom khasi jantia menta la kat to ka ne tayo. Tungin ngap sipor ka bagani kalong kemia ka don man penpau. Hadian pelat arsenam kenti bawan lenshap ka klam no knang jing pang COVID-19. Haginik si bamenta le I ka jing KM biang ka kam jungo kai perthei ha ka ba kinong jungo kai perthei na kaleng ka than rithor lasnang wan kieu biang syakani ka Jylla kam tam syakari lom khasi ba jantia ban sakhi de lagi jongki khmat I lom kiwa ka bi tanat rengkat ka jing pengat ka mariang. Hagi singi syuti, laban sakhi ke jingwan kiyo ki breo, om dunai ki spatli ki kali. Bat lengba kane la sakhiru, ya ke jing kiyo ka kamai ka kaji jogi nong shong shnong, ke bahagi than badon, ki jaka jung okai perthai ki bakreng, ya ki nong wan petkai.
So pre-pandemic, we had a good flow of tourists who were coming into the state. In the year 2019, we had 12 lakh tourists, and every year it was increasing. Of course, during the pandemic, 2 years we suffered because of the lockdowns, etc. The tourism industry really suffered. However, post reopening, this year has seen a great boost in tourism. Many of the tourists are, coming to Shillong, coming to Meghalaya. They want to see this beautiful land of ours. And a lot of initiatives have also helped, particularly if you see, last few months we were recognized by the United Nations World Tourism Organization, where Kynthei village was nominated by the Government of India as one of the best rural tourism villages, for example. Then definitely the beautiful waters of Shngaiñ, our waterfalls, all that is a great attraction for tourists to come. So post the pandemic, the number of tourist footfalls has really increased. Places like Saura, places like Shillong have really seen a huge increase in the footfall of tourists who have come to the state. And 2-3 months ago, the entire hotels were booked. We weren't getting rooms in Shillong for many of the guests who are coming. So it has seen a revival. People are happy that tourists are coming in.
Ladaya keren halor ke jing Shngaiñ jogi nong jungo kai perthei habagi wan kai syakani ke Jylla banwan jungo iki jaka ki badon nam. Kumba kalong mentahi kitrais nong jungi kilong ki breo ki babu rombhai ki nong jungo kai perthei. Bat kilong ru ki bakloi ban kedau lenti habagi breo ki jak lenti ban dech ki jaka bagi thmu ban led. Bat ka ketien ka thaliet ru kilong ki badon akor. Ya kania dapat pauru dekat kelong kebia ke banabar ke Jylla. Kaba nado ki kendat tayo balala kalawan sa pengat syakani ke Jylla. Banit jungo iki jaka jungo okai perthei ki bapau. Kani kalong kemia kedai karamya Lakshminath kaba naganong ba Hyderabad. Kaba jukam pelut por banit syakeleng ke Jylla jongkari. Hagani ke kenti kalawan syakani ke Jylla da kebanyahi deka kali tata nano. Bat kumni Syang marway syak keleng ke jaka bapau jong karilum kasih bak jantia.
It's been a very good experience. I've been to all the places. Ban was with me, so we went to. I drove down to all the places in Cherrapunji. And we went to Kynthei village, and yesterday we went to Dauki. So this today was Maflong Sacred Grove. It's been wonderful. I mean, this is my 7th time in Meghalaya, and I really like the place. I feel very safe here. And driving also, I find it very safe. I've driven in other mountains also, but this is definitely a safer place to drive. And roads are generally good, except maybe inside certain places, but generally the roads are very nice, and people I find follow traffic rules so much better here. So it's very comfortable to drive that way. Even in the Shillong traffic, that was what I observed. Yes, see, other parts of India I wouldn't dare to go out after 8 o'clock or something. I wouldn't go out alone. I would probably go with someone. But here in Meghalaya, I've never, I've even whenever we have come, I've taken walks at a later time in the night. I've always found people are more very respective, very. I mean, I have never thought that there can be anything which can be unsafe here. So I've never felt unsafe. Yeah. So I'm also staying alone at Cafe Cherrapunji. There also, it is like a home. It's I feel very much at home. In fact, when I started driving from Guwahati, I was waiting to enter Meghalaya because I always feel at home in Meghalaya.
Kajing siyang nya kalihi kumne marway. Karamya Lakshminath, kadonru kakubor syakipat ba halor ka syongsok syongsan. Bat ban ai men siem ya kiwei padde kynthei iba nakan ke Jylla. Bakin long kibaslor ban Shngaiñ kumne marway de banyahi kikali. Namar ka di ke Jylla ka Shngaiñ kynthei panlet banwan.
Yes, so basically more than safety is definitely. So what I have now realized is or when I have travelled all over India, what I feel is that as long as our attitude is good, people are generally good. And one thing I want to encourage is women to drive. Many women drive, but they don't take road trips, or they're afraid to go alone, or the family is stopping them, or something like that. But it is safe, and especially here in Meghalaya, it is definitely safe to drive. And I would encourage more women to come out and drive.
Dashisha, lada kibrio kibuan nabar ke Jylla ne nabari kiero tang ye ke Jakabe itenat. Hendra kiero ruwe ke jinglong jagi traishnong haka liang ke jingdon akor bat kamtam ke jing Shngaiñ habaki le chene shatai. Kat no kalong ke jing sngo sarong ye ke Jylla. Kermen, badak ne ke jing yo jingero kinong shnong jongi kin kam penjanai ruwe ke jing syakri jongkish kinong wei ke besuan sang pengat chipor. Kenang ba leng ba kania kan kring syuk-syuk kidong jung okai perthai ban kiuru kayok kokot jong gitrai ri trai muluk.
Like I said, people respond the way we behave with them. If we behave in if we show a bad attitude, generally the response will be bad too. But if we are good and if we are genuine, I feel most people respond.
What do you find about men?
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.